wait, you are interested. Okay, yeah, please come back to the negotiation table. We would love to have you on our team. You would be a great asset to our company. Have you ever hunted mice before? I'm not sure if you're listening to me. You're not listening to me. Okay, again, I have an incentive to this package that I'm offering you. If you would join our team, you can have this right here. This thing right here. Let's see. You want to be a mouser? You do it. Here. I'm not trying to bribe you or anything, but